Hello children, how are you? Students, today we'll have the same chapter when I was 12. This is the third chapter, and I guess this is the fourth part of the same chapter. So students, in the last video, you may remember that how people left the cook behind them to see द बॉयज़ कैरिकेचर उसकी एक लड़के की कैरिकेचर उसकी जो उसने कार्टून बनाई थी उसको देखने के लिए इतने ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड थे दैट उन्होंने उस कुक को उस हलवाई को पीछे ही छोड़ दिया जिसकी वो आओ भगत कर रहे थे. एंड द कुक ऑल्सो बिकेम वेरी मच क्यूरियस और वेरी मच एक्साइटेड that what is the reason they left me behind. So he also wanted to see. So let's see what happens in the next paragraph. So everybody thought it was a good likeness, but he took one look and fell grimly silent. So when everybody went to the boy and had a look अपॉन द कैरिकेचर, ये जो इस किड ने, इस बच्चे ने, जो 12 ईयर बच्चा है, इसने कैरिकेचर बनाई है. यू कैन सी दैट क्वाइट इट इज़ रिजेंबलिंग दिस कुक, बट he did not like that and he became silent. He got annoyed. उसको बहुत बुरा लगा. And but other people who were belonging to his family, they were very happy because his face was resembling this cook. So they appreciated his caricature. उसकी art को appreciate किया, but he did not like. I'm not going to cook for this marriage, he said, and began to make his way. Now he's so much annoyed that he said, now I will not cook anything for this marriage. Why? Because he considered it an insult. उसको ये एक अपमान जैसा लगा. So he denied preparing anything for that marriage, जिस marriage में वो बनाने के लिए गया था. Members of the family, senior ICS officer and others in high government posts ran after him, but the people who were highly reputed and posted as government officers, they tried to stop him. They went behind him, वो उसके पीछे गए to stop him, उसको रोकने के लिए. But what he said, you have called me here to insult me, he said. उसने कहा, तुम लोगों ने मुझे मेरी इंसल्ट करने के लिए मुझे बुलाया है. I have cooked for Maharaja, I have cooked for Supreme Court judges, I have cooked for blah blah blah. So he started telling all his all his things related to his cooking, that where he has cooked and for whom he has cooked. He started counting the names of some reputed people कि मैंने इन लोगों के लिए खाना पकाया है आज तक, and you have called me here for insulting me. But never have I been insulted like this. Goodbye, thank you. Now he said that goodbye, and the way you have insulted me calling here, I have never been insulted like that. मैं कभी इस तरीके से मेरी बेइज्जती नहीं करी गई, इंसल्ट नहीं किया गया जिस तरीके से you people have done today. And he stomped out. Then a very clever uncle was called upon to woo him back. So now some of them went to a senior uncle. He was very old, and he was called to woo him. Woo means to make him understand, to persuade him, उसको राज़ी करने के लिए कुक को कि वो जाएं, वो अंकल इस हलवाई के पीछे जाएं और उनसे बात करके उसको राज़ी करें खाना बनाने के लिए वापस. How did it is another story. You might think I was roundly scolded for this major catastrophe. I wasn't. So now the boy is telling the story went quite different वेंट इन अ डिफरेंट वे, मतलब जो चीज़ें चल रही थी बिल्कुल डिफरेंट हो गई. सो यू मस्ट बी थिंकिंग दैट आई मस्ट हैव बीन स्कोल्डेड, बट ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ, मुझे डांट नहीं पड़ी. सो नाउ द बॉय इज़ टेलिंग अस कि वाइल रीडिंग इट आप लोग को लग रहा होगा कि मुझे डांट पड़ी, बट ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. आई वॉजंट स्कोल्डेड एट ऑल. अच्छा, catastrophe means a sudden event that causes many people to suffer. So ये कह रहा है कि because of me these people went through a bad time, but ऐसा कुछ नहीं था, मेरी वजह से कोई बुरा वक्त नहीं आया. My family always supported me. He said my family always supported me since when I was 3 years old. As an enlightened family, my parents neither encouraged me nor discouraged me. So he said, let me tell you my family. Let me tell you about my family. वो अब थोड़ा सा अपनी फैमिली के बारे में बताते हुए कहता है, My family is something that it never discouraged me nor encouraged me. मतलब उन्होंने कभी मेरी कैरिकेचर को लेके ना मुझे कभी डिस्करेज इट मीन्स हतोत्साहित किया, और इनकरेज ना ही कभी मुझे प्रोत्साहित किया. दे टेक इट वेरी नॉर्मली इफ़ आई मेड एनी कैरिकेचर. सो उनको कोई ऑब्जेक्शन नहीं था मेरी इस कला पर, इस आर्ट पे. मर्सीफुली दे लेफ्ट मी अलोन. दीज सेम पेरेंट्स लेफ्ट मी with a piece of chalk at the age of 3. Now again he is telling that whenever they saw me making caricature, making cartoon, they never stopped me, even they left me alone. जैसे मैं अपना काम कर रहा था वैसे उन्होंने छोड़ दिया. It means they never objected, they never stopped me making caricature. They always left me with chalk at the age of 3. जब मैं 3 साल का था तब से मैं चौक से जब कैरिकेचर बनाता था. They never said anything. This changed to a pencil at the age of 6 or 7. अब चौक से वो पेंसिल से मैं बनाने लगा. Still they never said anything. उसके बाद भी उन्होंने मेरे कभी इस कला के लिए कुछ नहीं कहा. Then came colors, pencil and paint boxes. उसके बाद they themselves got me pencil, colors and paint boxes so that I can pursue my interest in a good manner. मैं उसको और अच्छे से परस्यू कर सकूं. दिस इज़ परसुएड. परसुएड का मतलब होता है राज़ी करना, एंड परस्यू का मतलब होता है किसी चीज़ को आगे ले जाना. आई एम ग्रेटफुल टू देम. नाउ ही इज़ वेरी मच ग्रेटफुल, थैंकफुल टू हिज फैमिली who never stopped him doing all these things, and they were very proud of me as I progressed from class to class. And on the top of that they always felt proud of me. उनको बहुत ही मेरे ऊपर प्राउड फील हुआ मेरी इस कला पे. और gradually when I was progressed from, when I was promoted from class to class, so they were very happy to see my art of caricature. So students, again my question is the same, that what have you understood with this chapter? What lesson you have got from this chapter? Please let me know. And if anything you did not understand, do ask me. And again, this is going to be an assignment for you to go through a dictionary to get the meanings of these underlined words, so that you can read this story fully your home and understand it better. Because समझाना जो explanation है that is done, but unless you put your efforts into it, you cannot get any result properly, right student? So children, take care, bye bye, and stay home safely.